everybody. June 10th, Wednesday morning. Just going out for a quick ride before some rain hits today. Actual agenda is I want to actually wash the bike. So this is the second vlog with the new Power Device microphone installed on the helmet. From what I saw yesterday, just after taking a quick peek at the footage on my phone, it came out pretty good. I was hoping to go for a quick ride before doing any of the washing, but I don't know. The fact that I'm on time off and everybody's working while I can ride usually makes for a little bit quieter rides, just because I always end up by myself. I love riding, don't get me wrong, just sometimes you want to like ride with people and just socialize. One of my next projects, I got a ticket for my integrated tail light. So I found it through Motodynamics. It's a splitter, so it'll allow me to hook up a second set of turn signals to the rear end. Just means like there's no splicing, no cutting wires, no nothing. It's all just makes it plug and play. Probably just buy another set of the exact same turn signals that I have on the front, the CNC Racing. As of right now, that's what I'm going to do anyways, just to try and give myself a little bit less attention. I'm going to put a picture of the splitters here, just to give you guys an idea of what I'm going to be doing. As much as I like the Rizoma, I just don't think I'm willing to pay $130 to $150 a signal. So we'll say $300 just for, two signals. Don't get me wrong, they're nice and all. You better fucking look. Cannot wait for that place to open again. Amazing Chinese buffet. Get the same CNC Racing turn signals that I have on. I'll put a link down below, or I'll put a link, and here's a picture of them. They're like 140 bucks Canadian from MotoStars. I just realized I haven't even done like a walk around of the bike since I put the turn signals on and the integrated, so I will have to do that shortly. I'm slowly looking for other things that I might want to change over the next little while. I think I might change my reservoir tanks. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, I feel like buying a Jeep. I feel like that is the next vehicle for me. A nice Jeep Wrangler. Sometimes I really wish lane splitting was legal, because I would definitely filter that. Let's not sit there popping for 5 minutes. Shows I haven't been down here in a while. I don't remember any of these condos being there. Yeah, nope. Please, you keep going. I'm gonna stay way back here. Wait, where's the cop shop? I know I drive right by it. I did not think this through. I really did not think this road through. Yeah, changed with the way I was gonna get there just because I didn't feel like getting a ticket. Just keep going green. And we're there. Doesn't look like there's any cars, which is awesome. Is there a brush on this? Yes, there is. Okay.